Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a blueprint in Zoho CRM. A blueprint helps streamline your business processes by defining every step in workflow. So let's get started. The first step is to access the blueprint settings. First, you have to log into your Zoho CRM, and to do that, just go to your web browser and open a new tab and go to the Zoho website. Now in the Zoho CRM website, just enter your account credentials and log in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard here. From here, go to settings right here, and then in automation, select blueprints or look for it. You can click on blueprints here and open it. Now choose the model where you want to apply the blueprint, such as leads, deals, or contacts. Click on create a blueprint first and choose the blueprint name. You can write wherever you want and choose the lead you want to add a blueprint to. Select account. You can fill in all the other informations like the layout. You can choose standard, the rating, choose field, etc. And then define the criteria for which records are associated with this blueprint. You can click on this and type in, and then click on next. Here I need to specify what exactly? Valid condition. Contact here, and I'm gonna write something. You can fill in these forms however you want, depending on your needs. Then click on next. Now in the second step is to define the process stages. In the blueprint editor, drag stages into the workflow areas to represent the steps in your process. For example, qualification, proposal, or closure. You can drag this one here, drag this one here, however you want. Now after you finish editing the blueprint, however it's convenient for you, the third step is to set a transition rule. Create transitions between stages by defining actions users must take to move to the next step, and specify criteria for each transition and assign tasks, reminders, or emails to ensure smooth execution. After you finish, you can save as draft or even publish it. You can save it as draft to modify it later or publish it. You have to link. Now if you link these things, you'll be able to publish. And there you go. Your blueprint is now ready, helping your team stay on track and consistent. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.